Okay, I'm testing to see what sounds better. Either the phone that comes with the Ceramonic or the little hoodie, the dead cat. So I think this is a Rode one. Maybe not. No, it's Ceramonic. It's a Ceramonic also. So I'm testing with the phone, and now I'm going to do a little hoodie, and let's see what happens. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Everything looks good. Let me pause this. Okay, testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. I took the foam off. I got the dead cat on there now. So how do I sound? Now let's go to the microphone on the Pro. Okay, it's on there. So now you're hearing the MacBook Pro microphone. Okay, how do I sound? Just a quick test, see if I like it, and I might put this in with the other video also. In fact, I will do that, and it's kind of like part 2 of setting up the Sony XL 43-inch TV, which I got a driver saying it was 30 inches. Well, that's bigger than 30 inches, okay? I'm talking about this TV right here. Okay, now you'll see some reflections and stuff. That's glare or something flashing on something on, reflecting on the TV. This is if I just share it right there. That's the way it's supposed to look. And, built into the laptop, it'll always look good. So sometimes you don't even need an external TV to show stuff like this. Just showing the difference between that and a regular camera. And look at the color, okay? So that's the end of this. Let's go to a video and show you the part 2 of setting everything up on the this TV. Okay, the nice thing about unboxings is there's a reason why I'm doing this, because I'm doing a video, okay? One is to show this TV. So this is the, it's about 350 bucks. It's the X77L, 43 inch. It's replacing my Sony Bravia X800E, okay, which died on me. It was a 2018 model. I got it on sale. I think it was the last one. And now I don't think they make them anymore. So that's why I got this. Anyway, we took the old TV out. I got a new box. I'm unpacking it now. I'm using my lavalier mic to this camera. I think that's the only thing I need. I open it up. So here's the remote, Sony. And it's not the new type where, but you can't, no, you have to put batteries in here. And, yeah, it takes AAA, okay? I got plenty of those. This might be used already, okay? So anyway, there's the manual, there's the batteries, there's the cord for the TV. I see some screws here. It's like for mounting on a wall, okay? Yeah, came out of this package. All right. And here's one stand. Here's the other stand. Okay. And I got to remember this is a 30-minute record limit, so I got to do it within 30 minutes. And then here's the TV. Now, I see something here also. Yeah, they've already had this TV. Because they already took the sticky thing off. And there's everything else that's in here. Yeah, the bag was over the TV. And yeah, they took the remote out and something else. So I don't see a power brick, and hopefully I won't need it. All right, I hope it's just, if I take this out, yeah. There's the batteries, stuff like that. So, put this back in. The hard part is done already. I'll put the TV down. Now, let's put in the stands. And they really package this part good, which I hate. Okay, yeah. Here, this tab, that's up. Alright. I'm just going to put it out here. Put in here. I hate these styrofoam things. And on this, it doesn't say which one it goes to. So I don't think it matters. And I'm trying to figure out. I think it goes like this. I'm trying to see if it goes left or right. I don't think it matters. Let's see if it goes like this. Turn it this way then. Yeah. Okay. And you know what? It's not locked in place. That is interesting. So, one thing about getting cheaper 4K TVs, they may not have best systems together. Wow. Let's try again. No, it only goes in one way. Wow. Okay. That's something to learn. Number 2. Oh, it goes in this way. Yeah, they're not locking in. That's the only thing. I don't know what that is. So, TV's situated pretty good. We look to the side, 43-inch, it's kind of thick. Cable, it has internet or network cable, 2 USBs, and probably USB 2s. They have the optical sound You have a yellow, so that's for a video feed, you know, like the old camcorder. And they got 3 HDMIs. And one of them is an ARC, which is number 3. So HDMI 1, 2, and 3. Okay? No display port, so I can't show that feature, but I will use the regular HDMI, and it's an 8K cable to plug in here, and then I'll use the USB 2 or C to or Thunderbolt to HDMI, and we'll see if the regular cable is better than the USB-C, and that's what I'm going to show off today. So anyway, now I'm going to mount it on the table, and you'll see the rest of this show. And I forgot to press the record button on the Z6 II. So, just to show you again, I plugged in the power, which is on this back end, and all the cables are on this side. So they have 3 HDMIs, regular cable input, network, LAN. They got the optical sound, digital audio out, and 2 USBs. And I think they're the USB 3s, okay? Because they're 5 volt. So anyway, let me do this once again. And I'll turn it around. And I got the 28 millimeters, so I could put a 26, but we'll just do that. And I gotta move the cable around again. You can hear me. And all I do is I just turn it around. And there you go. Okay? It's not heavy at all. This 43 inch is very light, and it's the lowest tier, by the way. I gotta move the cable out. That's the problem with doing this live. And you can see the reflection of me in the screen. So, first thing you do is you plug it in. And go down here. I'll just plug it in. It doesn't matter. Okay. There you go. Plugged in. Next thing. We're going to try the HDMI port out. So I'll set this down. I'll cut some of this stuff out. Okay, folks? Okay. So, HDMI out. And I'll just put it underneath the TV for now. I think it's on, by the way. Oh, wow. Okay. Yes, it is on. How about that? It just loaded up. I wasn't even expecting that. And it looks like a regular LED. It's not OLED or anything, but neither was the other one. I'll put it in HDMI 1. That's if it will go in there. See, one thing about becoming old, there we go. Okay, it's in there. The cable is in there. Okay, it's hooked up. Now, let's see if it recognizes. Yeah, I'm trying to get it straight as possible. Okay, so with the remote, it's showing this right now, and I am trying to figure out, yeah, let's see, it's at 50 millimeters, so I'm going to go to, that's a little bit too wide, or too close. And if I bring it back a little bit, it's still a little bit too close, okay? Yeah. I'm trying to get the other camera out there. I'll just show you that part, all right? So, let's go back to, see if I can get to select the VGA. And what I'll do is I'll put it on options, live demo mode, so you can see everything is turned on, what I'm viewing. This is the TV, okay? And somehow it jumped. Okay. That's where I want it. All right. So, let's see if it recognizes it. And I'm going to show you something different. It's going to give me some warnings. So, let's see. Go to settings. I go to TV, input, AirPlay, HDMI 1. Now, there we go. Now you see that reflection right there? That's because it's feeding this way. So I'm going to put it back on myself, right here, so you don't have to see that. You're going to see the video with this on there. Now, it's doing good, okay? So it's smoothed out. It's been 10 seconds. And I'm looking at the video. I'm looking at my battery too on the Z6 II. And I think I got enough going. But anyway, long story short, you're seeing myself with this, okay? Camlink 2, you see myself up there. If I go to, which I'll show here, I want to see the settings of the monitor. And the way I do is I'll click on this. All right, you see my icons and stuff. The R10, I'm ready to just about do that next. Go into settings, system settings. Go into displays. All right, the Sony TV 30-inch. All right, it's actually a 43-inch, but anyhow, let's see. Yeah, that's not going to be the main display. So I'm going to make that stop mirroring. Okay. So, built-in laptop is main display. On the Sony, when I select it, is the extended display, laptop main. So, it's at 60 Hertz, by the way. I don't have to use the external USB-C to the converter to the move it up from 30 to 60. It's working. And that's what I want. So it's a win-win. So you can see me. Now let's show you the TV through the Panasonic. And there you go. All right. So let me also describe to you what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you the difference between sharing and let's see, I got a message or something. Randy Show live from San Antonio. Okay. I hope I'm not live. Let me take a look. Yeah, I hope I'm not live. Anyway, I have the comments turned on. Yeah, I don't see anything in comments, so. Anyway, a long story, it's working. Let's go to the internet and let's see if it sees that. I'm going to turn off live demo mode right here. This is from the S5 II, okay? And this is just from the camera. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to internet. I'm going to click on YouTube. And there you have it. So you're seeing pretty much YouTube. It looks good. That's the laptop, it's not the TV, okay? And you know what? You're just seeing the TV. So I have to put on share in order to get it working. Okay. Now what I have to do is this. I forgot. You go to Window. You go to move to the Sony 30-inch. There I go. Sorry about that. I'll clip some of this out also. But there you go. And now I can scroll again. Let me know if it's too bright or anything. I'm going to move the mouse cursor over here. Now look at that. So this is from the TV. And I'm going to turn off the light right here, because I'm recording from here too. And I'm looking at the battery. It's still good, which is amazing me. So now you see basically the whole TV, okay, with the Z6 II. And with the Panasonic, you're seeing pretty much the whole thing, all right? So now I'm going to go to share, and I'll show you the difference between viewing it on a camera, which you won't get any stuttering or anything, and sharing. And then we'll see how this program performs if there's any stuttering and stuff. So I'll go over here. I'll click on share. And there you go. The picture looks better even after I turn off the light. And I'm recording this on the Z6 II, so I'm going to show this footage also. All right, move the mouse over, scrolling. You don't see any stuttering, right? I can go to, let's see, my little icon right here. Click on that. Go to YouTube Studio. All right. Thank you for all my subscribers. Content. Let's play one of my videos, okay? And let's play this one. ZF. And I have the sound turned off, okay? I'm going to turn it on shortly. You won't hear any music or anything, I don't think. So I unmuted the microphone. I'm going to show you a slideshow. And I'm going to make this full screen. There you go. So I see, I'm showing pictures in black and white. And this is on the share. Everything's clear. Let me get you a color picture shortly, and then I'll switch to back to the camera. There you go. And the colors are okay. May have to calibrate it. But anyway, there's black and white. Now I'm going to go back to the camera, okay? So I'm at, this is the S5 II, okay? And then this is sharing. Now that's a little out of focus. Let's get on the other picture. See the video? Now, watch what happens. So you see, this is with the camera. You see the sun, the lighting on the TV, okay? That's somewhere I'm getting a sun ray or whatever, but that's the difference. So if you just share it, that's fine. But I got an external monitor to deal with things. It looks good. Anyhow, I just want to show you this unboxing. And then I'll go back to here. And there you have it. So, hope this was helpful. It's at 60 Hertz. I've had no trouble setting this TV up. And it says it's a 30-inch when actually it's a 43-inch. So, anyway, thank you for watching. If you like this type of content, please give me a like, subscribe. Any comments or questions, put it down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. And remember, stay safe, keep smiling until next time. I shall see you then. Goodbye, folks. Have a wonderful day. Oh, and I'll put the video up from the SX2 as part 2. So this is part 1. Now you're going to see part 2. Bye, folks. And I guess we'll end watching my video. Well, this is about the Z30 and the R10.